Hey guys, well, it's ragtop weather here in New England, so we're gonna get the 58 ragtop out. A lot of you guys probably have not seen this car yet. This car's been sitting since '83. There's a video somewhere of me pulling it out. It's a 1958, said to be one owner car. I don't believe it has the original motor, but it still has the 36er in it. Did some work on this car yesterday. It was kind of windy, so I ditched the video. It was just too windy. Got a little breeze today, but not as bad. So we'll shoot another one. I'm gonna hop on the other side. Too much shadows here. Check out those awesome New England snow tires. I think this was Capri Blue. Well, is Capri Blue. What's left of it. You gotta love the patina on this thing though. I think it's L335. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Dubworks, Vintage VW Sales. There's the cigar option ashtray. My other 58 did not have that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it's gonna need rockers, pans, obviously. Needs a good amount of metal work, but front firewall looks good. Dash is uncut. Rear luggage tray, it's really bad. I had one of these too, and I sent it down the road with another car. It was a Super Beetle. And lo and behold, I guess they're the same from what quick research I did on the luggage tray. I didn't do too much research on it, but I was surprised by that. Got the ice pick in the door pouch. So like I said, still has a 36er. I cleaned the points yesterday. And we're gonna fire this thing up. Gas tank's not hooked up. Throttle cable's broken. So we can't drive it today. But soon. That looks good. A lot of times there's nests in here from the mice and you got rot up top. So she's gonna need a spare tire well, but that's not a big deal. You can see that, never been hit. Nice. Body tag, always a good sign. Dare I look in here? Oh, it smells good. We got the that's good. Got the trim piece. I just noticed this yesterday. Check that out. It's been tapped. Maybe this fender's been hit. Pushed in. Got some primer there. What do you think? Repaint? That's what I'm thinking. Let's see in there. See how bad that is in there. It actually has fuel in there. That's good. It's actually not too bad in there. Nice. Nice. Well, that's good news. It's very good news. Excellent news. All right, so still has the 4-tabber. Nice. A little bit of rust up there. Your typical 4-tab crack. Usually, don't they crack? I see them up here. That's pretty low. It's pretty low, huh? I usually see them cracked higher up. They disconnected the latch, but let's see, we've got no mirror. I'm missing the antenna. Gotta get an antenna for it. I don't think I have one. But man, I'm stoked to have this thing. I don't have a patina ride, so like I said, I have most of the parts, and we'll get this thing rolling. Belt's a little loose. I got the parts to put it all together. I got a 36 horser in the garage right now. It's got the all the parts we need. I don't have, well, I might have the correct air cleaner. I just put that on there to pop that on there. Doing an oil change on it. And I have the heater channels, I have floors. I'm pretty sure I have most of the parts for this car. So I'm gonna be cutting those channels out, spot welds. What do you think, man? Gotta love that front end. Well, 36er needs a muffler, but let's try to fire this thing up. Will it run? Cold start. Yes, I know the belt is loose. We have to put a battery in it. Battery, check. She's gonna need a battery tray. What do you think, Roost? Is it gonna run? Sounds like it's running underwater. She's a runner. She's alive. She is alive. So stay tuned for some more updates on this. My bus parts are still not here. I will be sourcing another company to order from. It took them 5 days, 4 or 5 days to actually ship my order. Those parts are going to be here, I think Tuesday or Wednesday. I gotta go get the parts for this. I forgot to show you that little interesting cutout there. Maybe a fire extinguisher there. I'm stoked that the dash has never been cut. That's sweet. Missing a visor, no big deal. Looks like it had a blue canvas top. I forgot to show you that little interesting cutout there. Maybe a fire extinguisher there. I'm stoked that the dash has never been cut. That's sweet. Missing a visor, no big deal. Looks like it had a blue canvas top. I was just gonna stand up on the gosh, the rocker. Yeah, I can't do that. I'm gonna see if this thing would slide. I started the lubrication process and get that thing moving. Got the door handle in here and the other ice pick. Alright guys, well let me know what you think of the 58 patina monster here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments and the likes. And we'll get some updates on this soon. We'll see you on the next one. Take care guys.